marketing department for DEC Industries. So DEC Industries is a construction material manufacturing company. So we manufacture about 300 different products. So our factory is set up in Chautapur, near Chautapur, around 15 kilometers from Chautapur is where we are located. And we have set up 12 different industries in a single location of 500 acres, which is one of the largest building material parks in South India. So in that factory, we manufacture from the smallest product like a cover block to your construction chemicals, pipes, fittings, wires, doors and UPVC windows, aluminum structures, PEV structures, even electrical panels up to 33 kV. So we are tied up with Schneider and L&T to produce high voltage panels, 33 kV panels. And for doors, we manufacture about all kind of doors, from flush doors, veneer doors, laminated doors, polished doors, skin doors, WPC doors, so all kind of doors. So it is located in the same factory. So it is a 2 lakh SFT shed with around 10 seasoning chambers, and all these doors are manufactured at our own facility. So under our own brand name, everything is manufactured under the DEC brand name. Even formwork. So we have supplied to about 200 different companies in and around South India, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Mumbai. So we have supplied to clients around South India everywhere. Up to now, in the last 3 years, we have catered to around 300 clients. So some of the clients has the highest, the tallest tower in Hyderabad, which is 53 floors, is being constructed by our material. Even a lot of other companies like My Home, Cyber City, even DSR, Casa Grande, VTP, lot of companies from Bangalore are using our material. So we are a new company that is set up in 2021. But we have been rapidly growing in the last 3 years, and right now we have onboarded about 300 different clients in all the products, and we are looking to expand into more cities in coming future as well. Expo has been amazing. Still early hours. We are seeing a lot of consultants and architects and business coming in. So we are hoping for a great expo so that we also get the network of a lot of other people. We get to know a lot of other people. We are not primarily here to sell or for business. We are here to improve our network. So it's a great event for us.